started on Facebook wall. No face to face, just a digital call. Vicky like that, and I'm on a exchanging